Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Mantiques Network, how you doing today? What we have here is a Phillips 66 tire display. You would have seen this in a Phillips 66 gas station with a tire that they were selling. Still using them today. It's really a nice shape. Actually get two signs with it. Put a tire in it, looks like $1 million. So if you are into any kind of gas and oil or just vintage signs and want something cool retail, this might be for you.
These are antiques. These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.